and welcome to this KNX product training. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to configure the KNX keypad and switch actuator to switch on and off the light. This course is based on Interra product, the keypad and combo switch from these manufacturers. And by the way, my name is Amir, I'm a KNX tutor, and I hope to be able to provide you nice training. So let's start. As I told you, the goal of this training is to learn how to control switch and configure it in ETS. This is a keypad we have. We want to use the button number 5 to switch on and off the light. This is a switch actuator. In our case is the combo switch. It's a multitask switch, okay? So we want to use the output number 7 to switch off and on the light. So how about the wiring? The wiring is like you can see in the picture. The line from the city is coming to one of the terminal of the output, and the other terminal is going to connect it to the lamp or the load. So let's start in ETS. In ETS, first of all, we should go to parameterization. In switch actuator, we selected ITR 524. This is a 24 output switch actuator. We go to the parameter. This is the output configuration. Output number 7 and 8 by default is in shutter. We change it to the lighting. And output number 7 is with lighting. So we can see the group objects are generated here according to our changes. This is the output 7. We have the on-off group object for the output 7, and we have the status group object for the output 7. So let's go to the I switch, or we can say the keypad from Interra. We go to the push button. We choose number 5, function. The function is toggle. Toggle means one time you press it, it sends 0, one time it said 1. Okay. And the LED configuration is with on-off object. So let's see what it is generated here. Here it's generated button 5 switching for control and button 5 for feedback. Okay, good. So now here we go to the group address because the parameterizations are finished. We have the required group objects, and now we go for the group address. We add one middle and we call it light switch. So we should make 2 group addresses here. These group addresses I provided from other side. So the group address for control switch and for status. For control, we make the link between the switch from the keypad, switch from the keypad button number 5 to the switch from the output 7 of the actuator. And for status from the actuator side is connected to the feedback or status from the sensor, or we can say keypad side. Okay, that's it. When you finish it, you can go and download it. Great. So thank you very much to listening to me. Now you can understand how to configure the switch on and off the light. By the way, my name is Amir, I'm a KNX tutor. If you have any questions, please send me an email from the info@sccenter.ir or sccenter.ir@gmail.com or training@sccenter.ir. Thank you very much, have a nice day, and see you in next training.